Welcome to our Wondershare Virbo. Continuing from where we left off, today we will talk about how to improve the ROI of your Amazon video ads. Here are 3 tips. Tip 1. Add relevant keywords and phrases in titles. Adding relevant keywords or search terms in your video title can enhance the likelihood of the video being shown in search results. There are 10 kinds of keywords you can use in your video ads title. Number 1, product name or brand name. Number 2, key features or benefits. Number 3, target audience or specific use case, like for gamers or for workout enthusiasts. Number 4, promotions or discounts, like sale, limited time offer. Number 5, call to action, like buy now, learn more. Number 6, product category or type, for example headphones or smartwatch. Number 7, customer reviews or ratings. Number 8, comparison to competitors or alternative products. Number 9, celebrity or influencer endorsement. Number 10, unique selling proposition or USP, like waterproof, long battery life. Develop the habit of optimizing your keywords, which will get your ads seen by more buyers. Tip 2, tell buyers why your product is different. Let buyers know why they should be interested in your product and brand. Focus on the benefits that customers gain from purchasing your product. The more prominent these benefits are, the better your ad will convert. For example, let's say you are selling a new fitness tracker watch on Amazon, and you want to create an effective video ad for it. Instead of just mentioning the features of the watch, you could focus on how the watch helps customers. You could say, monitor your heart rate to optimize their workouts and ensure you are burning the most calories possible. Or, receive notifications for incoming calls and messages while working out, leaving their phone safely stored away. By highlighting these benefits, you are showing potential customers how your product can improve their life. This makes it more likely that they will be interested in purchasing your product, as they can see how it will benefit them specifically. Focusing on benefits is key to creating an effective ad that will convert potential customers into buyers. Tip 3. Timely update video content. If a video performs well initially but then the sales begin to decline, then it is time to start making a new video. You should continuously provide new ideas and content to create a consumption scenario. Only in this case can new and repeat customers think of the beautiful fantasy you created every time they enter your store. Of course, if you struggle with frequent video updates, try generating videos with Wondershare Virbo. It has a variety of templates for you to choose from, and AI scripts to help you save time. No more struggling with video updates, now you got Virbo to transfer text to video in minutes. Stay tuned for more expert tips that will help you skyrocket ROI of your Amazon video ads.